I'm Peter Bodo with Tennis.com's U.S. Open Report. Night 8 of the Open produced what most American fans were hankering to see, a guaranteed Williams versus Williams New York showdown. A battle of the sisters was assured when Serena made short work of Frances Séverine Bremond, surrendering just 4 games in what can only be called a ho-hum affair. The only glitch is that the battle between Venus and Serena is going to take place in the next round, the quarterfinals, rather than in the primetime final next Saturday night. In the men's match that followed on Arthur Ashe Stadium, Andy Murray continued to drill holes in the notion that he just can't bring his A-game to Grand Slam events. Murray has said that he would rather win the U.S. Open than any of the other majors, and he was up against the second most famous player out of Switzerland, Stan the Man Wawrinka. Like many clay-loving baseliners, Wawrinka's preference for playing from behind the baseline despite the relatively fast U.S. Open surface cost him dearly. Forcing the action, taking advantage of opportunities to attack the net, Murray jumped to a 2-set lead and never looked back. That wraps up Night 8. I'm Peter Bodo for Tennis.com's U.S. Open Report.